1 cucumber, 1 green apple, 2 kiwi.
Place all the fruit in the blender.
Add 100 ml of water to blend.
Add in ice cube. Pour in the juice in the glass. Yummy to drink and refreshing. Selamat berbuka puasa.
Hi everybody, like, share and subscribe.
Ring the bell button.